Aloha, this is Min Yong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii. Welcome to Acacia Park. Total 89 units, 3-story buildings located in Pearl City. The owner occupancy is approximately 61%. This townhouse is in a very close proximity to a variety of shops and restaurants. It is also close to the theater and Walmart. I'd like to show you how conveniently this place is located. This is a future rail station and a shopping plaza with a movie theater. And these low-rises buildings at Acacia Park. Shared amenities are a playground, barbecue grill, and a car wash area. And this is a pet-friendly complex. Welcome to our 3-bedroom ground unit at Acacia Park. This unit was sold at $392,000 in December 2020. Acacia Park was built in 1986, and this unit was completely remodeled. This unit is approximately 835 square feet and is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and 1 parking unit. Also a corner unit and a ground floor, making it very popular. This unit has the floor-to-ceiling window. And then, the good thing is that the living room has a window AC and 2 ceiling fans. There's also an extra storage in the beginning of the hallway. This is a completely remodeled kitchen, brand new refrigerator, range oven, and a dishwasher with plenty of cabinets and a spacious sink. This is an open kitchen and right by the entrance. It has a good ventilation. We're going to the primary bedroom. Voila! Main bedroom faces a small garden area. This helps reducing the heat from the outside. And the closet has mirrors. It makes the room look bigger. I do personally like the mirror closet better for that reason. Let's check out the primary bathroom. Also completely remodeled. Not sure how many times I can say this enough, how well done the bathrooms are. My favorite is this conveniently designed walk-in shower. This foldable chair is attached to the wall, so it helps taking a shower very easy. Very nicely remodeled bathroom and a spacious walk-in shower. This is the hallway. There's a full-size washer and dryer in here. There's extra storage on this side as well. And this is a second bathroom. Everything is remodeled. The color scheme is very upscale. The bathroom has a grab bar, make things easy for all ages while taking a bath. And these tiles are very well put onto the floor. And there's an extra closet at the end of the hallway. The unit maximizes the amount of storage and closet space. And this is a second bedroom surrounded by greenery outside. As I mentioned, this is a corner unit, so it's pretty private. There's a mirror closet as well, which helps the room look bigger. All the bedrooms have some kind of a greenery atmosphere outside. Let's go to the next bedroom. This is the last bedroom, the 3rd bedroom. There's no AC, but to be honest, it's pretty breezy here. Also, the closet is made with mirror doors. Pretty spacious. This place has so much potential, so much to offer. Not to mention they're building the rail station close by. Plus, price is amazing. Also close to the Pearl Harbor. So perfect to a VA buyer. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for joining the tour. If you'd like to see other properties in Oahu, please visit min808.com. You can register to stay up to date on any neighborhood or building. You can also get notification as new properties are listed. Or contact me at minyonghawaii@gmail.com for any real estate related question. Hope to see you next time. Mahalo. Have a great day.